Hello and welcome to the Atari basement. Today we're going to try to complete Switchblade. We didn't succeed in the Switchblade series, so I was quite disheartened when I got to the end, but this time I've got 7 lives. I had 3 extra lives. I've only actually lost 1 life throughout the whole game, so I've done really well. Just a quick recap. My name's Hero, Last of the Blade Knights, and basically you got to collect all the shattered parts of the sword. I've defeated 4 bosses so far, so we're going to go into the final layer where the 5th boss is. This is what I've struggled with in the last few goals, so hopefully for the first time since the 90s I will attempt to complete Switchblade. So in the top right corner you've got my blade, my sword. I think there's 16 parts that I've had to collect in total, so I think I've got a couple of more pieces to still collect, and then we take on the Mighty Havoc, which if you don't complete the sword with the shattered pieces you can't take him on. Bottom left we've got my health, we've got letters, which if you're completing them all you've got an extra life. I've done that 3 times on this go. The bit in the middle is your weapon or not so weapon. I'm going to collect this spiky weapon up here, and to the right you've got your bonus points, so I just need an O to complete that. And on the right you've got your power, so you collect little bars to complete your power. So if it's best to keep hold of fire, get the full power of it, and you can do like a sort of a leg kick there. But with this weapon now, which I can fire, it takes up a lot more easier. So I've already been down here before, just quickly show you. I've been to the left here, where there was a piece of the sword. The reason why I went back up was to collect this weapon. You've got these spikes, which if you watch the other episodes you know all about them. And once I fall down here I can't get back up, which I might have already mentioned in the last episode. So let's get this X. Don't really need to take on them hogs. Take this hog, which is meant to be a hog with armored suit. Okay, let's just keep going. As I come down here, I think this is where I start to struggle, and last time I had a few lives, this time I've got 7, so I've got a very good chance, and I should really get, and now I've got this weapon, it makes things a lot easier as well. Oh, I walked straight into him. So these little orb bots, quite tricky, especially if I've not got a weapon. Makes it quite difficult to defeat them. Okay, so we just go back and forth on the screen. So you don't want to take these all on in one go, because they take a lot of hit points. So the best way is to take them one at a time. And that's a bit of power up. Power, so let's go up here, see what's in these flasks. A weapon here, darts, which is a pretty poor weapon, can't really do much. It's a strange weapon really late on in a game to give, because it's just taken me 3 hits. Now if I shoot an orb with him, it just stuns him, so there's just no, you're just seeing how I stunned him there. And he just goes back, so I'm just gonna offload this weapon and just get rid of it, because it's my kick is more effective than the darts. Oh, he took me by surprise there. Stopped as he was coming to me. Oh, and now I've got 1 bit of power, so I'm gonna lose this life, I think. And I did lose that life. So then bolts, I want to collect as many as I can of them. Right, let's let them fall down again. There's 1, and as you can see my power bar to the right, it's got 2 bars on it now. again. There we go. Got rid of that little guy. Okay, let's just get you here then. Oh! Oh, dearie me. That's terrible. Absolutely terrible. Oh, that gave me full power, so that was helpful. And as we go down this layer, we do take full damage. As you would have seen, and I did try to originally complete this game. Oh, I got these little spiders. Just need a timer kick. Some more fall damage. That was quite a lot. So it's lucky I've managed to keep hold of my lives, because they have come in handy. I just lost another life, and that was just due to the fall damage, nothing else. Some more fall damage there. Oh, little secret and some heart. Didn't notice that last time. Probably did 30 odd years back. 2000. Okay, what we got here? Some more heart. Didn't need that right now. Oops. So here we are on the bladed parts. We've got that little git in the way. It'll cause me trouble. Oh, this is... Oh, come on. Wow. Okay. Oh. These little bots. So again, just go in and out the screen to take them on. I don't think that flask is anything valuable. Oh, should I take it on? Okay. And then I've lost a life. So what is this? 4 plus the 0. 5 lives on the boss. Okay, let's just get up here. Right, up to the boss. So we are gonna meet Havoc. This is the last part of the blade, I think. Yeah, I've got my blade now, you can see. I think I can go further down, but yeah. So let's take on the mighty Havoc. Oops. Oh, should have jumped. That's one hit. Can't remember how many. Oh, should have jumped again. 2 hits. Jumped at the right time then. 3 hits. So you've got to aim. Oh, should have gone down then. At the eye or above. And then I should have jumped. Well, and again I should have jumped. And again I didn't jump at the right time. Okay, was a hit. Right, so staying on these 2 steps, it should be enough. got hit again. So like any boss, there is a pattern. Was a hit. Oh, got hit again. Jump. Like every boss, there is a pattern, and you stay on the top 2 steps on this Havoc character. He looks like a cyborg head. A lot of them are cyborgs in this game. Oh, I've done it! The dawn has come and my world is safe for now. And I'm pulling up my blade like this for some reason. But we did it! We completed Switchblade, and I am the last of the Blade Knight's hero. Oh, glad I've done that. Spent a whole week after work each time trying to complete this game, and it's satisfying to finally complete it. Yeah, so this is, I think, after the series that I made, this is the 4th attempt. But I had quite a lot of lives, and you can see I needed them. Otherwise I wouldn't have got this far into the game. And I have completed the mission and all 5 bosses. So Switchblade joins the list of Robocop and Steel of games I've completed on this TV series. I've had my hat trick, as you say in football. Let's get our name on here. Hero. It's like hero, but not a hero. My hero. See a score. I think for every live you get, that's points as well. There I am, hero, right at the top. Last of the Blade Knights. Mission completed. See you for the next video. Over and out.